In July 2024, a Jamaican customer purchased 42 pieces of P2.97 outdoor rental LED display EA1000C6, produced by the EagerLED factory. In this demonstration video, you can see the badminton competition held by EagerLED in September. Through the video, the excellent performance of the P2.97 LED screen is clearly visible. Whether it is screen brightness, color reproduction, or smooth playback of dynamic videos, it shows the excellent quality and delicate details of the LED display. Thank you very much for your trust and support. EagerLED's EA1000C6 rental LED video wall is widely used in various scenarios, including stage events, exhibitions, business meetings, etc. Looking forward to continued cooperation with you.